Good afternoon, tutor and classmate. My name is Álvaro Alexander Vargas Gomez. I am 31 years old. I live in Grabando. This is my hometown. Currently, I work as a support system in a big supermarket. I'm happily married and I have one son. As a teacher, I don't have experience, but I would like to learn the right way to teach. On the other hand, I want to tell you that I have had the opportunity to study 3 system technology. And to answer how to get my English level, I can say I was studying 2 years English in an institute. That way I know a few about English. So let's go to start with this activity. According to the guide, my first strategy number 1 to learn English is a English club. You can say, why Alvaro English club? I think one of the best way to learn English languages is collaborative work through social classes, where all students share their knowledge. Let us all talk within when afraid to making mistakes, where we can do activities simulating reality or daily use of the languages. On the other hand, if we have English clubs, I think that the level of learning will be higher than what we could achieve if we study individually. Is better. So my strategy number 2 is according with the personalized study plan. Why? Because I consider will be good to apply is to use personalized classes. That is to say, with the help of the teacher, you can work on topics in which can feel weak. We will say that we could apply grammar topics and clearer and more precise way. I keep track of English language learning. Personally, I took 10 days of personalized classes, and I can say that the progress was remarkable for my professional side. It's very important that. Finally, the strategy number 3 is very important to me. Is the best to me. Why? Travel abroad. Why? I think that my best strategy to learn English as almost native is traveling abroad, paying for an intensive listening, intensive course in English speaking country. Why? Where practices in the other country you can practice every time. Could be 24 hours a day. Don't have a space to speak my native languages. It's very point. I think that being a few years abroad, I could achieve an almost perfect level of English. I could also improve all the skills and perfect them. This includes a large number of words could learn while abroad. That is my 3 strategy to learn English. And finally, I want to say thanks for watching this video. See you in the next time. Bye bye.